Doing today, our plan, is to develop a cluster of aerospace companies that will include also academy. We are talking to the universities, University of Houston, Rice University. We're talking Texas A&M, University of Texas, and universities, San Jacinto. I mean, every university is included to be part of this project. So the idea is to create, a center of excellence to allow for commercial spaceflight operations and business to happen right here in Houston.
Right, and then also manufacturing is another opportunity for us there at Ellington. So we're looking at how can we do some manufacturing of maybe some aerospace things, or?
Exactly. In fact, as we speak, and hopefully soon, under the direction of Mario Diaz, we're working to bring to City Council a proposal to acquire the first facility that would be serving as the initial piece of our plans. This is a building that is located just adjacent to Ellington that once we acquire, we will be able to use to attract companies already doing business in space, such as Boeing, United Technologies, Aerospace Systems. We're talking to Intuitive Machines. I mean, we're talking to several companies.